Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. And in this video we're going to do a hard reset procedure on the moonroof sunroof of Nissan vehicles. You guys have this particular situation where the sunroof or moonroof, when you press it to close or open up, it kind of does a little it moves just a little bit and then it stops, and then you gotta press some more. It moves a little bit and then it stops, moves a little bit. It'll eventually work to where you want it to be, all the way to the end, but it's kind of a jerky, short jerky retraction, or short jerky forward movement to close it. And if you have that situation, it could be frustrating. A lot of people think if they take the a lot of people think there's an issue with the motor, or maybe there's some kind of issue with if there's a fuse for it. Some people think if they take the terminal off the battery for a couple of seconds, put it back on, it'll just resolve the issue. But in a lot of cases, unfortunately that doesn't resolve the issue. The procedure to reset it is pretty simple, but you will have to have access off the window to be able to. The window has to be able to move regardless of whether it's moving slow and having that jerky motion. It has to be able to close all the way, and it has to be able to tilt up all the way. If for whatever reason you guys have no movement whatsoever with the window, there's a chance that either the push button for it, the controller, is broken, or the motor is broken. So the window for this procedure to work has to be able to either retract or go forward all the way, and to tilt up all the way. And that needs that you need that to for the window to work in order to do this reset procedure. However, there's another way to reset it, but this is not what this window covers. So basically what you're going to do in this case is you're going to close the sunroof all the way. If it's not closed all the way, you're going to close it all the way. You might have to push it, many times to close it. If it does the little jerky motion forward, just make sure that it's closed all the way. After it's closed all the way, you're going to press and hold the tilts up switch so that it tilts out all the way to the top so that it can't go anymore. You're going to take your finger off the switch, and then you're going to press and hold at that tilt up switch again, and you're going to do that for 4-5 seconds. What happens after 4 or 5 seconds is the window is going to close by itself. And when it closes by itself, it means that the reset is complete. At that point, what you want to do is you want to open it up, tilt down, slide it back or whatever, just to make sure that it's working normally again. And that's the simple procedure as far as the reset is concerned. I'm gonna try to post the other set of reset procedures for the Nissan the moonroof sunroof. It's a little bit different, but I'm gonna get to that in another video. Hopefully this video has helped you guys out. If you guys have any of your own personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Right guys, don't get caught out in the rain now. All right guys, take care.